Hey guys, it's Recycle Rhonda. Do you live in an apartment? You're not sure how you're supposed to be composting your food scraps when you live in an apartment? Well, join me Saturday, June 22nd at 10 a.m. to learn all about worm composting. That's how I've been composting for the last, over a decade. We'll learn how to set up a bin and learn that bins can come in many shapes and sizes and can be even something that's laying around your house. And you will have a chance to win this worm condo right here at the end of the workshop. It's just an hour long. Come out and join me to find out the wonderful world of worm composting. Hope to see you June 22nd, 10 a.m. at CSWD's Organics Recycling Facility, home of Green Mountain Compost, right here in Williston, Vermont. Cheers!